Example number 2. In a Weiston's network with a wire of resistance R1 in the left gap and 2 ohm in the right gap, balance point is obtained at 40 cm. With another wire of resistance R2 in the left gap and 2 ohm in the right gap, balance point is 60 cm. What will be the balance point when R1 and R2 are connected in series in the left gap? R1 and R2 are connected in parallel in the left gap with same 2 ohm in the right gap. So this problem is based on meter bridge. So first thing what they have given is when R1 in left gap and 2 ohm in right gap, balance point is 40 centimeter. R1 in left gap, 2 ohm in right gap, L is equal to 40 centimeter. Let us write the equation for this. R1 is equal to 2 into balancing length, that is 40. I am substituting in centimeter, so denominator should be 100 minus 40. So it is X is equal to SL divided by 100 minus L. So let us simplify this. This will be 80 divided by 60. So we'll get R1 is equal to 4 by 3 ohm. So we got the value of R1. Next, when R2 is in left gap and 2 ohm in right gap, L is equal to 60 centimeter. So R2 should be equal to 2 into 60 divided by 100 minus 60, that is 120 by 40, that is 3 ohm. So we got R2 is equal to 3 ohm, R1 is 4 by 3 ohm. Now the first case here is R1 and R2 in series in left gap and 2 ohm in right gap. What is the balancing length? So R1 plus R2, when they are in series, effective is R1 plus R2. That should be equal to 2 into L divided by 100 minus L. So we'll get it in centimeter. We have substituted 100 minus L. So R1 plus R2 is what? 4 by 3 plus 3. That will be 2L divided by 100 minus L. So 3 will be LCM. So this will become 4 plus 9, 13. L divided by 100 minus L. So cross multiply, will get 1300 minus 13L is equal to 6L. So we'll get 1300 is equal to 19L, which implies L is equal to 1300 divided by 19, that will be 68.4. centimeter. So this is balancing length when R1 and R2 are connected in series. Now the next thing is case B. R1 and R2 in parallel in left gap, 2 ohm in right gap. Balancing length is how much? So first let us find what happens to parallel combination. Rp is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So their parallel combination yields you 4 by 3 into 3 divided by 4 by 3 plus 3. So in the numerator you will get 4. In the denominator 3 will be LCM. So this will become 4 plus 9, 13. So that will be 12 by 13 ohm. This is Rp. Now Rp should be equal to 2L divided by 100 minus L. Rp is 12 by 13 is equal to 2L divided by 100 minus L. So you can cancel these two. 2 ones are 2, 6 are. Now cross multiply. 600 minus 6L equals 13L. So 19L is equal to 600. So L should be equal to 600 by 19, that is equal to 31.6 centimeter. This is the balancing length when R1 and R2 are connected in parallel.